See, this would be perfect for OnlyFans, except you would be in like boxers. You even got like you got the seductive pose happening. Look at, see those little legs in the back? Look at that. Crossing his legs. This is gonna be the thumbnail of the vlog. Can you take off some layers, please? Found this little place. What is it called? Growler? Quirks? Hold on. There you go. Quirks and Growler. And you fill out this little menu. Based off this menu here, like this entire thing, and you get a flight. 4-ounce little glasses. So Parker's gonna do one and I'm gonna do one, and we're gonna see who has better taste in beer. Look at that. There's too many choices. For an overthinker like me, I'm gonna be here all day. I'm gonna have to send an Uber to pick me up. Don't get in my shop, bro. All right, guys, we're gonna do 12. We're gonna do 13, 14, and 26. Right there.
She's a jawline.
Your manly hands, you're missing an opportunity right now. I'd be like, look at mine. I'm like, I'm good at keep up.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
This is my strong hand. This is my strong hand.
What makes these tattoos look good?
Potatoes are all.
The only thing redeeming about that movie was that
Redeeming?
That, part, you know,
That
awful.
actor.
It was awful. The rest of it.
Okay. He put it in the order we wrote it, right? So it's not like in flavor order.
I can't see the
Can you guys see this? Hold on. Look at this. Show me your rack. You haven't even sipped and you're already.
Your colors are so much better than
I
mine.
know, that's why I was like, wow, look
Yours
how
is so
colorful.
pretty. Which
Yours
one's
so
this
colorful. They didn't give me my papers back. Number 12.
Let me take a picture of me.
Okay. I saw you looking at his butt, pervert. Feels sunburned.
Okay, you're gonna try number 13.
Yes, 13.
13 is from Hop Fusion.
What's the flavor
name
notes?
of the beer is
Just the flavor notes. They won't know because it's local.
Feisty Red Blonde with hibiscus and cherries.
Oh, that was my first choice.
Yeah, I'm doing another from Hop Fusion. Feisty Blonde, which is honey, vanilla,
That's this for me.
and blonde, yeah.
Okay, so mine is cherry hibiscus blonde.
Mine's nice.
Yeah, you don't get that.
I'm detecting the honey.
I'm not detecting anything. Stop it.
What? I'm not so manly after
Who's
all, are
doing
they?
that? Pinky up, but like, oh, Brandon with the spaghetti hanging from her mouth.
Yeah. She's eating with her hands, but ladylike.
Ladylike. This was, I thought was gonna be my favorite. It's underwhelming.
That's your favorite?
This is the one you just had, which was vanilla honey, right?
Mm-hmm.
Vanilla honey. Oh, that's good. A lot of honey. A lot of honey.
Really
You have to like
taste that.
honey.
And I do, I like honey.
All right, 26.
26. You are having
Hefeweizen. I
the
remember.
Hefeweizen from
Hefeweizen.
Allstat, Fredericksburg, Texas.
Oh, that's my favorite. It was so good.
And I will be having
Tastes like salad, like an orange salad.
from Celestial Beer Works, strawberry marshmallow.
Oh, I never picked that one. I was gonna, but I chickened out. Strawberry marshmallow. It's like a strawberry marshmallow flavor.
This should be interesting.
I've already tasted 3. You're on number 2. See, pragmatic, impulsive.
Savory. Oh, that's different.
When Parker doesn't like something, he says, "Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's different." Or he says, "Lots of flavors. Lots of flavors." And he doesn't like my food.
You don't know.
Lots of
You don't know.
flavors.
This is really tart.
Ooh, I like tart. I'm just taking his roll flight.
You are tart.
Mm. Oh man, I should pick this one.
All right,
Oh,
well, try it one more time. Give it one more time.
That is delicious. All of mine have been sweet. I don't like sweet.
It gets you right in the jaw. Very tart.
Okay, my last one I think is blackberry.
12.
Okay, I redeemed myself with this one.
Fair State.
Whoa.
Too Far Juice. Sour with blackberry, plum, lactose, and marsh milk.
I redeemed myself with this one.
It's pretty good.
You're gonna like it. It's not tart where it hits you in the jaw, but it's tart. Yeah.
It's good. It's just tart enough.
I don't like the honey vanilla. I don't like that one. Nope. Sorry, amigo.
Number 22. From Great Raft, it's called Commotion American Pale Ale. It's just a simple pale ale. It's delicious. Very hoppy. It's good. It's a pretty color too.
Hey, what do you think those dude bros are going?
No man, they've been fishing. See the shirts?
Is that fishing shirts?
Mm-hmm. They wear their shirts to stay cold to keep the sun off.
But neither of them are sunburned. Wouldn't they be sunburned?
It's been cloudy all day.
They do got the dude bro shades though. Dude bro shades. Last one. Come on, partner. This is taking too long.
You gotta
Taste your beers.
slow down.
Taste your beers.
Enjoy yourself. Pace yourself.
Yeah, but this vlog's gonna be like 7 hours long.
Pop and
because
Stain.
you do a
The
whole
Aluminum
intro.
Cowboy. American Light Beer.
American Light beer. Is it Bud Light?
Basically. Very
You
light.
should recommend it. Bud Light. Is it like Michelob Ultra? Miller Lite? Alright, this is my favorite. The blackberry. The first one, I don't remember what that was, but that one's good too. I just don't like this one. You'll like this one. The honey one, you can finish my honey.
Okay, you got the honey.
You got the honey. 14. See how little I drank?
Did I try all of yours?
No, you did not. You only tried this one. And you already have this one, so you need to try that one. That one's good. No? Okay. That's just Heffen. It's like, meh. No?
I'm not a Heffen fan.
I do. You should put a little orange, you know?
Stink on it. It's skunkish. Smattering of skunk.
You don't know. You don't know. This is my windblown hair. Took advantage of that dirty hair. Juno? Ready? Guys, it's 3 o'clock. So Parker and I, you know, this is the thing, is we have a very, it's like a very fresh marriage. It's very exciting, very romantic. We spent our romantic Easter installing our new Berkey water system. So we just unboxed it. Well, this is a giant eyesore. It's supposed to make really, really good water. So we're gonna try it out. But, you guys hear that? That's what it sounds like when the water is draining from up here down into here. So this is, we filled this up and it's coming down into here. This is water we need to dump because it's the first cycle. And then we refill it, and that's, I think, when we add the dye, and then this, anything that is in here is drinkable. Anything that's in here is getting purified. It's a cute sound. I mean, it's not, the sound doesn't bother me. You know what bothers me? This thing. This water better be delicious. You know what's gonna happen is the apocalypse is gonna come and we're gonna be able to purify our own water. Thank you very much.
We're peeing in it.
Thank you very much.
We're gonna pee in it. It's gonna purify our urine and we're gonna drink it when we survive the apocalypse. Bring on the zombies.
Look how quickly it drains out. I'm impressed. This is the first cycle that you have to dump out so that it primes the filters. I was trying to think of the word. It primes the filters. So the first reservoir tank is what you dump out, and then you refill it again, and that's when we can test it out with the red dye, and you see how it pulls out all the impurities from the water and it purifies just regular tap water. Doesn't that come out fast? I'm shocked. All right, the last bucket is going in. Oh, are you nervous?
Yeah, perfect.
Wow. And then a whole vial of red dye. Look at that. It looks like blood, Parker. It's like there's blood in the water.
Ooh.
So the whole point is when the water goes from the filtering reservoir to the filtered reservoir, it will come out completely clean. I guess we'll see. Watch me drink red water for like the next few days.
That's delicious.
It's all natural. See? The water's completely red. So we'll check in a few, what, maybe like an hour? How long do you think it takes?
Right. Probably 15 minutes, I don't know.
And then we'll fill our water bottles and see what it's like. We haven't tasted it, have we?
No, we haven't.
Oh, I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
I'm so excited. I'm ready for some nice, clean, good tasting water.
Yeah, me too.
Like we haven't had that in a long time.
We've been drinking pool water since moving here. Or it tastes like that. All right. We're going to do this. Where's the lid? Oh, okay, put the lid. I'm just holding the little blood container.
I hope it's really good. If it's really good, I might do this for work.
Mm-hmm.
Get everybody to pitch in, you know?
Yeah.
It's cheaper in the long run.
Yeah, because you just do faucet water. All right.
Pretty cool. Hope it's good.
Yeah, me too. Do you hear that? I hear that. It sounds like clear water. That's what it sounds like to me. Clear water. All right, you guys, the moment of truth. It's 7 p.m. We may have sat in the hot tub for like an hour after dinner, which is why I look this fabulous. I want to show you guys. We're going to see if the water actually comes out clear. I'm a little nervous. Oh boy. You want to see, Parker?
Yeah, come. Let me finish this last bowl.
Okay. Ready? Oh. I'm scared. What if it doesn't work? Oh. Look! You guys saw how red it was. And it comes out with pressure, which is nice. Okay, taste test it. Why'd you put a shirt on, huh? Why'd you put on a shirt? Mr. Modest?
This isn't OnlyFans, okay?
Parker's OnlyFans. Topless drinking water. Why do you have to swirl it?
It's like completely tasteless.
Is it good?
Okay.
Oh. It tastes better than the refrigerator. Did you really taste the difference or are you just patronizing me?
No, I can't taste anything, so I figured that's what you want, right? It's like completely tasteless.
Yeah, there's no flavor.
None.
And it's cool too, the temperature, which is kind of weird. Do you think it's because it's in stainless?
Like stainless.
Mmm. That's delicious.
There's still more red in there.
Yeah.